Now we're going to learn vocal awareness. We're going to experience communication mastery. I will begin by categorically saying to you, voice is power. When you own your voice, you own your power. That is the theme of this course. To be in the authenticity, the integrity of who we are, and knowing how to strategically, empirically, at every level, own how we want to be known. Speech is habit. We never think about it. I teach a great number of superstar athletes around the globe. And I'll say to every athlete in the first lesson, someone taught you every single thing you do. But who teaches us how to be ourselves? This work does. As I create this first course, I am also completing my 52nd year of vocal awareness. And it is my privilege, it is my honor to serve the work. So let's get underway and learn how to be in communication mastery.